Hello. Okay, that was wrong. That was wrong. That was wrong. Try again. Try again. You want to stay up? Why is it? It's not the lash. It's the eyeball. I mean the eyelid. This is droopy one. Droopy one. I'm gonna put tape and be like, "Hey, how you doing, folks?" Hello and welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness. When you don't film like constantly, you just lose everything. That's where I'm at. I'm here like, make sure you talk about all the key points. And then when you got a re-film because you messed up on one, then you're like, but did I already say that? Or is that the part of the delete? That's my life. Welcome to my life. But screw that. We're talking about Miss Thing right here, Miss Amrezy. Oh my god, this packaging. Isn't it gorgeous? This packaging is amazing. It's green bougie. It needs to be like up back here, you know, just like, what's up? Okay, make this way. There we go. Oh yeah, how you doing? Okay, anyways. So this is the look that I created using this palette. I use several colors in it, so that way I'm able to give you a good first impression on it. Of course, I'm not gonna talk about that now because that's later. You gotta watch it. You gotta watch me put this all together, and then you can you know, hear my thoughts. Hear my thoughts. Wonder what would they be? I don't know, but let's find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert swatches right after this little talkie with you. So if you're interested in seeing swatches, they're gonna be right up next. So take a look at that. Again, I'm not talking about it. So let's just get into it. Let's not keep you know. So without further ado, let's do the do. Oh, that should be my new one, right? What you guys think? Yeah, let me know.
Tú buscas, no puedes encontrarte a otro que te quite el dolor que mi amor te dejo y te haga sentir mejor. No, disculpa, ya no quiero que sufras, no tienes la culpa, no llores más por mí. No quiero lastimarte, aunque mi corazón haya dejado de amarte, yo no te merezco. Se termina el tiempo y acaba con esto, y por eso olvídate de mí. Olvídate de mí. Tal vez, si te vas yo no te buscaré. Te mereces a alguien que te quiera como tú quisieras, que dé su vida entera, pero ese no soy yo. No quiero lastimarte, aunque mi corazón haya dejado de amarte, yo no te merezco. Se termina el tiempo y acaba con esto, y por eso olvídate de mí. Olvídate de mí.
So here is my finished look. Wow, let's get into it. I put liner on, I put mascara on, I put lashes on, all that. I'm going to link it below, as well as the lipsticks. I'm going to try not to talk about those things because then I'll make my video a lot longer and you'll be like, can we just get it done? So let's get into her, Miss Amrezy. I mean, this packaging is gorgeous. If you are a girly girl, bougie type, this is for you. I was hesitant if I should have gotten it or not. I was doing a giveaway, which by the time you guys see this, the giveaway it's over. But I was doing a giveaway for 2 winners to win this gorgeous palette right here. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gifting this to somebody else. Can I gift it to me? I was able to get her because with Sephora, you know, it has the rouge points that you can turn in for money, and I was able to get it after three times trying it. I was trying 3 times hard, but I got it, and I was like, you know what? Might as well. Might as well. So I got this one, and I got the Moonspell from Lunar Beauty because I've never tried them. So I'm going to try that out. So let's talk about these shadows. As you saw by the swatches that I put in the beginning, they swatch nice. I didn't do a live swatch because it just takes more time. So I said, you know what, let me just do a little quick video after I swatch it. I always do my swatches passing 2 times, so that's what I did. The only 2 colors that worried me were these 2 right here, this like maroon one and this black one right here. But I did swatch it on my wrist, and on the wrist there's like, you know, veins there, and obviously it's like pretty, you know, it's wrinkly. So I knew it wasn't gonna swatch that great. So I'm like, you know, the real test is always the eyes. So at first I was like, oh, it's kind of blotchy, but believe it or not, it actually blended out beautifully. I don't see blotchiness. I see a nice parallel, you know, together, you know, smooth and nice. So those 2 definitely worked out. I didn't use all the colors. I did pop in this one right here, which is called Barb, right here in the inner corner. And this one is like a mix between a glittery and a shimmer, because I would say these 2 down here, they're like shimmers. And the most glittery ones is Liddy and Gemini. Those are the like pressed in type glitters where it's chunkier. So those are the only ones that worry me as far as, you know, getting all over. It does have kickback, not much for me, similar to other Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, but it had no fallout, so I didn't have any fallout. But guys, when I do my eyes, I always go into brushes, you know, and I pack it on lightly. And I'd rather add than have everything down here just to cut a corner, you know. So try that out if you have like fallout that happens to you. Try that out. Other than that, I liked it. This worked beautifully. I have no complaints about it so far. I'm gonna do some more looks, and I'm definitely gonna try using that black to see if like I said, it was the swatch in the area that I was in versus, you know, being blotchy, because those dark colors, they're really hard to perfect. But if you're in the market for her and you're a little hesitant, I'm like, let me move this way. Don't be hesitant. Give her a try. If she's calling you, man, you know, we only live once. Let's live happily. Other than that, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below. Like always, I put everything I use in the description below. It takes me a little bit more time to do that, believe it or not. It does. I wish I could just upload and keep it going. But for those of you that actually pay attention and want to know what I'm wearing, it's there for you. Okay, I did that for you. Other than that, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, little notification bell, so I go ding ding ding, she uploaded, run. No, I'm kidding. Go watch it. Other than that, you guys take care. Remember that every negative has a positive, so keep that chin up. Okay, that's crazy. I know I lost it. Center me, center me. I have to stay like this. That's like leaning over, like, yo, what's up, dog? The video, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to hit that little subscribe button so you're notified when I upload next. Wait, that was wrong. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it.